Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here our Xiaomi Smartband 9, and as you can see here, I guess you are familiar with this one. This is the Redmi Smartband 2, a very popular, affordable fitness tracker from Redmi, another sub-brand of Xiaomi. And of course, as you requested, we are going to compare the menus and features of the Xiaomi Smartband 9 with the Redmi Smartband 2. Obviously, on the design, the Xiaomi or the Redmi Smartband 2 has a much wider body frame, okay, much thicker, and of course for the weight, I think it is a bit heavy compared to our Xiaomi Smartband 9. But when it comes to screen display, of course, the AMOLED screen of the Xiaomi Smartband 9 is much better compared to the Redmi Smartband 9 or the Redmi Smartband 2 with an IPS LCD screen. Anyways, we are going to focus more on the features of both wearable. Okay, so if you are interested to see if what is the difference when it comes to the menus and features, watch this video. Again, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's start. Okay, as you can see here, they have a different design. The Xiaomi Smartband 9 has a metal body frame compared to our Redmi Smartband 2 with a PC material. Okay, at the back, both is using a pogo pin type with magnetic. Okay, PC material for the cover here at the back, flexible silicone strap. It's almost the same in design. And for the screen display, this is AMOLED screen display for our Xiaomi Smartband 9, IPS LCD for the Redmi Smartband 2, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so this one, design of this one is somewhat like a Galaxy Fit 3 or the Huawei Band 9. The Xiaomi Smartband 9 still the same with a 7 and 8 version. Side by side. Okay, so the premium here, of course, is the Xiaomi Smartband 9. Okay, for the features, let's check. On top, we have notifications, so the same. On the bottom part, so we have the different menus. Let's adjust this first. Okay, let's change the brightness so we can appreciate the screen. Okay, again, on the bottom part, we have the menus and features. On the right side, we have the different cards. Okay, so there's more option for the Xiaomi Smartband, and as you can see here. Okay, for the main menu, so we have here workouts, workout. We have the statistics, we have the activity here, and stats. We have the activity, so different icon. Let's see for the statistics first. So it monitors for the calories, steps, okay, and distance. As you can see here, more data for the Xiaomi Smartband 9. Okay, for the workout, so we have the outdoor running. Seems like they both have a comprehensive list of sports function. Okay, but as you can see here, we do have a category for our Xiaomi Smartband 9. So it is much easy to look for the desired sports. Okay, as you can see here, for the sports of the Redmi Smartband 2, I think it is just less than 50. Okay, so limited. While for our Xiaomi Smartband 9, based on the data, it is more than 100 sports function. We have a heart rate. Let's see if they have the same UI. Okay, so different UI. We have the blood oxygen, sleep monitoring, stress, weather report, calendar, events, music control, remote camera control. We also have events here, but we don't have a task. Breathing guide, stopwatch timer, find phone. We have a world clock here, we don't have it here. Okay. So more options for our Xiaomi Smartband 9. For the settings, let's see. Where's the settings? Going back. Settings. Okay, so the settings here, I think the UI of the settings here is much better for our Smartband 2, Redmi Smartband 2. We have style, we have the display. As you can see here, we have race to week schedule, screen on 4, always on display. We don't have it here. The only options here is brightness, auto lock, and cover to sleep. We have the battery. We also have a pin here. Do not disturb. We have notification options. Here we don't have it. Okay, we have auto detect, preferences, battery, system, and about. Okay, again, here are the menus and features. Okay, so for those of you who are thinking of upgrading to Xiaomi Smartband 9 and you have the Redmi Smartband 2, well, here are the additional features that is available on the Xiaomi Smartband 9. It also has a quick reply for calls. Okay, and we don't have it here in our Redmi Smartband 2. Again, this is the Xiaomi Smartband 9, the Redmi Smartband 2. Okay, so that's it. Hopefully we answered your questions on the list of menus and features and what is the difference when it comes to the menus and features of the Xiaomi Smartband 9 versus the Redmi Smartband 2. Subscribe, like, and share. Bye.